Do you have a reflexology business and you're looking for an affordable professional website? If you answered yes to that question, then you're certainly in the right place today. So keep watching this video. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-site platform to create a website for your reflexology business. If you've just stumbled across this video, you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed, so click on the link below this video for that free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from. We are adding more markets every single week as well. Let's go ahead and search for our market, Reflexologist. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marcy Sites a few basic details about our reflexology business. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue and let multi-site work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done so in not even a couple of seconds with the information I've just put in. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website, maybe make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written for you. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that today. You don't need to know coding or be a web professional of any sorts, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself. So let's click on the first section at the top, pop in our email address over here. I want to make sure that is visible on my website. So I'm actually going to go ahead and tick the box, show email on sites. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. Our address, our physical location, I'm going to pop it in. Great thing about that physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done that, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to update logo. Once your logo has been uploaded, if you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters, frames, can click on that pencil directly over it. Otherwise, you can click on save. Here on the right is where you can make that logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we've pre-selected the colors for you. If you want to change them, click on the paint bucket, bottom right hand corner. No color coding needed at all. Go through the various color palettes, see which ones are suitable for your business. I'm quite spoiled for choice here. They're all really great. Not entirely sure which one to choose, but I'm going to just go ahead and select that one for now. Awesome. Now, for each section that you want to make amendments to, click on the update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image first. Now, over here is where you can browse your device to upload your own images, search your photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. For free, you can play around with the terms, the keywords a little bit that you're searching for, and just see what images pop up. Awesome. Now, if you go back to all photo options, you actually have the option now to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, pull in all those images from your Instagram account without uploading them all individually. Saves you a lot of time by literally connecting your Instagram account to Mighty Sites and pulling in all those images for each section. Under update action is where you can change that button text and where they link to. If you take online bookings, via booking app, you can click on choose link. You can link to another website if you have an online booking system. Otherwise, you could upload a PDF file with your various prices, a price list or menu of the various treatments that you offer if you do more than reflexology. And update content is where you can change that content that was pre-written for you. Now, in the last section at the bottom, the lead generation form is where your customers can actually reach out to you easily, and you can keep track of all your leads in the Mighty dashboard. You'll also get notified via your registered email you have a new lead from this form as they come in. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. At the bottom, say I already have a domain to set it up. Otherwise, if you'd like to purchase one, you can click on the new button to make your website look even more professional and trustworthy. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.